Hiya, welcome to Share Bristol. We're a library of things, which is like a library, but where people can borrow all sorts of other things instead of books. That we often own too much stuff and we buy something new and actually we only need to use it for a short period. So if we can borrow it instead, it saves us money, saves us space in our homes and is also better for the planet. So we've got all sorts of things available to borrow here. We've got the DIY tools and the gardening equipment, which is really popular, but we've also got things like camping stuff for if you're having a party, all sorts of things that people need every now and again but don't actually need to own. We opened in May 2021. We were able to start thanks to funding from various organisations including South Gloucestershire Council, who helped us turn that idea into a reality. All of our borrowers are members, so they sign up for an annual membership and that's £50 as standard, but we also have a £20 concession. Once people are a member, they can borrow as many times as they like throughout the year and there are no additional sort of loan fees, it's just the membership fee. So we really do try and keep it as affordable as possible.
I came by here when I was coming from B&Q home. I wish I'd known that there was a share library before. I've just gone and spent nearly 200 quid. We've definitely saved in the hundreds because we've borrowed a dehumidifier, electric tile cutter, saws, lots of power tools. It was much more convenient for us to be able to come and use something, especially if we're only going to use it once.